channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of a fun look. I wanted to do an Earth Day look on Sunday, but however it is Tuesday night now, so obviously I missed it. Just got a little busy this weekend and didn't want to take on more than I can handle. I want to do a green blue look, but I don't have a lot of green blue products to do that look. So I was on Ulta and I did notice that they had their Wet n Wild Midnight Mermaid collection on sale. So it comes in a kit like this. And I guess, I don't know why they did this. If it just wasn't selling well, so they just put it in a kit because it was 30 bucks. And you're getting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 products for 30 bucks. And Wet n Wild, I mean, they are a non-expensive brand, but still to get that many products for $30, I don't think is a bad deal at all. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And if you shop at Ulta, I'm sure you've seen it. So it's just basically their mermaid collection that they just packaged together and sold it instead of buying products individually. And I'm mainly interested in these two lippies right here. So that is their Catsuit. It's a metallic liquid lip. And then they do have a couple of shades up here in their eyeshadows that are green, blue, and purple. And then they got a couple of eyeliners on the other side over here that are green and blue. And then we might try out the highlight as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get these products out of here, and then we're going to just start a fun eye look tonight. And I plan on just taking a shower and washing this all off afterwards. So I just figured we'd have a little bit of fun. I don't have anywhere I need to be tomorrow in the morning, so I can be up late, however late I need to be. It's a nice box, but I mean, I don't think I'll keep this for anything. Maybe my niece will. I have put on some moisturizer, and I did use a primer, the Catrice Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer. I just bought this, so I'm just trying it out for the first time. It kind of gives me a nice little dewy look, so I don't look so run down from being out and about all day working. And then we are going to start off with our Urban Decay Potion Primer. I'm just going to use a little bit of this, not a lot. And then we're going to go into our Morphe 3502 palette just for some neutral colors in the crease. I'm going to take a dirty blending brush. I'm going to go into that first color, which is called Universal. This one right here. Next color I'm going to go into is this one right there. That one is called OBR. I don't know what that stands for. I guess it's ORB, which I still don't know what that stands for. Okay, so I'm going to grab the liquid Catsuit colors, and I realize that these are liquid lipsticks that are meant to be used on your lips, but we are going to use them as eyeshadows, so I don't know whether this will work out or not. I'm a big fan of Jeffree Star, and he uses his liquid lips sometimes as eyeshadows, at least his, Lipstick Mickey, when she does her makeup looks with his products, she uses them. So we're just going to try it out with Wet n Wild and see what happens. What I've decided I'm going to do is I'm going to do like one eye blue and one eye green, because I want to. This is the blue. That one is called Sea Seduction. I'm going to grab the green metallic liquid eyeshadow, and this is in color, I think it's Lara's Necklace. It might be Laura's, but that's something called Laura's, so I would know. Kind of got like a duochrome green look to it. Grab one of my handy dandy Urban Decay brushes here. I'm going to try to put this on the inner corner. Okay, I'm liking how this is going. I want to make this outer corner darker, So I'm going to go into the muddy color right there. I love that glitter. That is really pretty. And just take a bath in it. So this one right here is the green, obviously. Okay, we're gonna go back into the brown with the bigger blending brush and do the corner here. Done with that, we are going to grab the blue glitter one now. That one is called, I think it's Aquatic Prism. I don't know if I'm saying that first word right. This one is the blue one right there. Okay, now I like the purple. However, I wish I would have put it on first, so we are going to go back into the other one. I do want to use the purple one too. So there's a black one and a purple one. I'm just going to swatch both of them for you just for the heck of it. I have the purple one in my hand. That one is called Moonlight Majesty. So that's the purple one right there. And then I have the black one, Mysterious Nights. So this one is the black one. Great. Like I said, we're gonna use the purple one. Alright, this is the green one we used on this eye. That's blending like really nice with the purple. Alright, going back to the blue. It seems like the green has like duochrome in it, and the blue feels like it's just blue, or like maybe different shades of blue, but I'm not getting as much of a duochrome feeling. I get that to blend in with the purple. Alright, so the other products that I want to use from this is the eyeliners. Blue one. It's called Sea Dreams. A grayish one, I guess, that's called Trident's Shimmer. Yeah, Trident's Shimmer. So maybe that's silver. And then a greeny one that's called Sea Symmetry. So let me swatch these. I am running out of room on my hand. Oh, I don't know about this. That's the greeny one. Here's the blue. It's right there, right here. You know, it's right up there. Ugh, I can't get my hand turned that way. Why did I swatch it like that? Here. One's blue. Here's the one that I'm guessing is either gray or silver. Do it up here. I just don't like how they're going on. I'm gonna have to use something else to actually line them. There you go, Laura. I don't know if I'm gonna use these. I guess it's not that big of a deal if this gets messed up. You know what? I think I'll use them on the bottom lash. I got my NYX The Curve Eyeliner. Pretty much a big fan of this eyeliner. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and do all of the rest of my face makeup because I don't want this video to be 5 hours long and I don't want to edit this video for 5 hours because it's just supposed to be a fun one. So I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup and we're going to come back and reveal the final look and then I'm going to wash it all off in a bit. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, welcome back. So we're going to go through some of the stuff that I did off camera. I did go ahead and use my new Maybelline Superstay, and I used the shade 130, which is Buff Beige, and I tell you, I picked the wrong shade. It's pretty much the same color as that eyeshadow that I laid down in the beginning, like a terracotta color. So I made it work using other products to blend it in, but I'm gonna have to go back and get a shade that matches me better. That is not my shade. And if you remember my haul, this was the closest shade I could find that hadn't been open. So that's what happens, I guess. And then I did use my Lorac Tantalizer from my haul, the duo with the bronzer and the highlight. Bronzer I like, the highlight is okay. The only place where I just use that highlight is under the brow bone. I use my Anastasia Beverly Brow Wiz. I use my Maybelline Age Rewinder for the concealer. That was in Fair Clair. I used my Coty Airspun for setting powder. I used some, I think it's MUA Eyelashes that you can get at CVS, I believe. They're very, they're very minimal. There's not a whole lot there. Let's see. Not a whole lot there. I guess I like them because you can't really like tell, but at the same time they're stabbing me in the inner corner, and this one keeps wanting to lift up. So if you see it stick up halfway through the video, that is why, and I don't really care. And I use my black House of Lash glue. I use my Benefit roller for the bottom lash. Let's see here, I use my Hot Mama from the Balm for my blush. That's what it looks like. And I did go in and use the highlighter that came in with the package. This is like the cheapest packaging. Can you listen to that? Oh, horrible. And honestly, I don't really care for this, but the other highlighter in the Lorac palette was not working for me, so I just went ahead and used this. I used Milani's Make It Dewy setting spray. I don't know about the spray, you know, how it will last. Obviously, I'm going to be washing this off, but the nozzle on it was like spitting at me in my face. So I have like little dots where it like landed weird. I don't care for that. I did try both the blue and the black eyeliner. I hate this. It made such a mess because I was trying to do it under the eye that it got all over my bottom lashes, which this can be expected, but it made such a mess on my outer corners that I ended up having to go in with black and blending it out because it looked horrible. So no to these. And then the last step we're going to do is I'm going to use one of the other two liquid lips for lipstick. Figured why not. And I'm probably going to go in with the orangey one because the red, no, we're not doing red, but I will swatch them just so you can see what they look like. And if I'm like rushing right now, it's because my battery's blinking at me. So that's the red. And then the orangey color. And the red one is called Carberry Crush. The orangey color is called Coral Crown. So let's call it coral instead of orange. Oh, a lot came out on that. Okay. God, there's like nowhere left to swatch right now. That's the orangey color. Alright. Oh, and I did forget to use the Maybelline for the waterline. I used blue on that side and the green on this side. And those colors are... I don't know, they'll be in the bottom bar. Alright, let's move on this again. My lips are dry, I'm sorry. My lips are always dry. I don't drink enough water. These doe foots have that little dip in them too. See that? Alright, so this is our finished look. It is something, that's for sure. I would not do this lip with this. I guess I just wanted to try them out. didn't realize it was going to be that dark. I don't know what I was thinking. So I do more of a nude lip. So anyways, this is the look. We played with the Wet n Wild collection that they came out with a couple of months ago, I think. I don't know if it just didn't sell well, so now they're trying to sell this package and get rid of it. Either way, I bought it because I wanted more green and blue colors that I could use on my eyes, because I just really don't have hardly any palettes that have green or blue in them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you had some fun, if you recreate it, let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I really, really appreciate it. Any support that I can get is very appreciated. So thank you guys so much, and have a great day, night, wherever you are. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Actually, we'll just see if we can put this color right over it. It's a Lorac Socialite color, I think, that I got from my haul. There. Do you like that better with a little bit more of a nude lip? Wasn't crazy about the orangey coral color. I'm not too crazy about this color either. At least it's not so drastic.